the educational opportunity that it provided was second to none. My name is James Holdsworth. I'm a security analyst for Racetrack Petroleum Incorporated. I'm a former United States Army veteran. During the lockdown, I, like many people, had a lot of personal questions as far as what I wanted to do with my life. And at that time, hackers were going crazy and it was all over the news. And just being somebody who's always been in some form of service, I was looking at that and thought if I was going to make the transition, I felt now would be the good time. The labs just throughout the whole program, especially for me, not having any experience with it, not only got me comfortable, but also proved to me that it's not impossible that I can learn this. For anybody considering a change into cybersecurity, make the sacrifices, be willing to work hard, know that it's not going to last for forever, but stay hungry. And whenever you have a moment of doubt, just know everybody in this industry has either gone through it or they're going through it again. Just believe in yourself, put forth the effort, and the rewards will come.